MPO multi-fiber push-on and MTP US Connect are vital connectors for high-speed networks capable of 40G, 100G, and 400G transmission with parallel optics. They enable simultaneous fiber transmission instead of duplex links. *** architecture and use cases *** 40G, 100G SR4, 12 F8 usable. MPO count 1 to F8 used, mapping, for TX plus for RX. Use case, short reach MMF, Tori leaf uplinks. For OOGDR4, 1 to F8 used. MPO count 1 to F8 used. Mapping, for TX plus for RX use case, SMF within the data center. 200G for OOGSR8 to 4F16 used. Mapping 8TX plus 8RX use case. High-density leaf spine architectures. Polarity and gender management, different con. Genders and polarities require proper alignment and transceiver ports are usually female. Insertion loss IL. MTP Elite Low Loss is ideal for tight link budgets, typically 0.35 decibels versus 0.60 decibels. Structured cabling. MPO is used in modular systems. Factory-terminated MPO trunks connect to MPO2LC cassettes for legacy equipment or MPO patch cords for parallel optics, offering flexibility. Cleanliness. Multi-fiber ferrules are delicate. Inspection and cleaning using MPO-specific tools help ensure reliability.